Dear students, in this video I am recording the how to prepare the chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, rest of the chapters of our document. So follow the same video and you can successfully complete your entire document. Yeah, simple. So in order to do this chapter, yes, previous video, yes, for few students I suggested that follow my previous video. Like that also we can do, but that is the old one. I upgraded myself to to get the better outcomes. I'm posting the new way, new methodology, new way of doing code using this one. Same, yeah. First, for the chapter 5 itself, whatever the 4.1 system architecture last time you did, data set, NLP pre-processing, whatever the steps, copy this one. Copy this one. Okay. So remember, it should be perfect. If you are completed this one only, it is perfect only. Copy this one. Then open Gemini. Yeah, for this one I'm using the Gemini, not a GPT. Gemini AI, I'm using the Gemini AI. With the help of the Gemini AI, we can do it. So I will show parallel reference document also. So like this, chapter 5, either your chapter 5 name is either UML diagrams or system design. Paste it. Whatever the 4.1 we did, paste it. I simple, just say remember it. See, I am showing my previous prompt which I did for another this document. So here, after saying it is going to give the some, remember it is going to give something. Then after, so this is the prompt. Give me following UML diagrams codes as per plant UML. Give me each UML diagram code in separately like this. This is the prompt. Don't give me generalized. Give me with all operation pre-processing classifier or regressor model names. Here, if you want to still mention, you can mention like this NLP pre-processing, because in UMLs also I will check whether all the steps are there. All the steps are there. EDA like this also here you can mention. That's why I gave it in generalized. Sometimes it will give correct and sometimes it won't recognize because it is unable to recognize the steps. That's why give me all operations. Example, operations of proposed, because system 4.1 contains the all the operation steps. Same, if possible use colors like this, use this one. Yeah, in previous codes, yes, in previous YouTube video I said use the coding. Yes, with the help of the coding also we can do. But for example, Smart India Hackathon people, they have multiple ML code files, app.py files, like that they have different platforms. So for that it may give, it is complicated to generate the UML diagrams for that. Similarly, NLP pre-processing also they have lengthy, very lengthy code. Similarly, image pre-processing students also they have very lengthy codes. So in that situation, the GPT may or may not analyze the code effectively. For that purpose, I am giving the without coding. So I copied this one without, here I didn't require any code, paste it. See, data pre-processing, Robert, industry group, industry classifier, SVM, random forest. See here, it gave the two options for me. Both are good. Both are, it's give the all the names. So I choose the bigger one, better one. This is somewhat lengthy. Like this. If you give two options to you, try to choose any better one. So remember for this don't use the GPT won't give the accurate for this one. Same simple copy it, come back to same planttext.com I think, or plant.uml, let us say. I did long back ago. Plant.uml.com. Sorry. Yeah, planttext.com. Same, copy and paste a single code here, save and refresh, close these kind of systems. Yeah, see in this case, see it is very complicated. It gave detailedly, because I choose the very complicated one, so this much complexity also not required. We'll check. Hmm. Same, choose this one. Sorry, something is missed. Copy code. Yeah, this time it is generating the code error. Hmm. Yeah, this kind of suggestible means not, it's not like color filling. Simple one. Just now first one it's very complicated. See here, raw data set. What are the class names? C for class diagram. That's it. This is enough. So in this I didn't ask like where what are the specific orthogonal slides, split style. See what are the all the possible layers are there. Smooth data balancing apply like this. It's correct one. Copy image. Yes, try to save the image also, sorry, try to save the text pair also, because further if I say anything wrong you can replace in the text file also. Like that, try to work out on the saving the one. So again I'm saying, again I'm repeating, for this we don't require a code. Yes, if we can do with the help of the coding also, but is which is very complicated, as coding is lengthy code. I'm avoiding the doing with the code like this. See here, after generating all the diagrams, yes, you will get the all the diagrams. You will get all the diagrams like this. After getting this, then another simple prompt. Yeah, see here, simple. 5.1 section heading name class diagram. Next, figure 5.1 class diagram. 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.7, like this. See here, simple. Each UML diagram explanation, 2 paragraphs with internal procedure. That's it. With proper figure citation, such as figure 5.1 shows. Simple. Copy this one. Sorry, not here. Here. Clearly write for above. Yes, always be cautious. It may give or it may not give correct answers. See here, it's in this case it is giving correct answers only. The class diagram. Simply you need to write as shown in figure 5.1. So end of the day, I am showing the sample document. It should be like this. Chapter 5 UML diagrams, 5.1 class diagram, like this. Figure 5.1 illustrates one paragraph, followed by figure, followed by figure 5.1. Next another paragraph. Similarly, use case diagram. Yes, in my previous video here above, I added some few introduction to the UML diagrams. If you still want to add, you can add introduction to the UML diagrams also. It won't be a problem. Yeah, I am suggesting that try to fill some colors in the UML diagrams. So it will be look some good like this. This is the chapter 5. Definitely in your project you will get the UML diagrams. Next chapter 6. It is a very simple. It's a software and hardware requirements. Chapter 6 software and hardware requirements. Yeah, in my previous video it's a Python 3.7.6. For your seniors we work out on the Python 3.7.6. But for you we did most of your projects we work out on the Python 3.12.0. Only few batches we work out on the Python 3.7.6. So for the software requirements also the prompt is very simple. Simple. Check this one. For above, give me required softwares is Python 3. Not Google Colab. This is wrong. For above, give me required software as Python 3.12.0. If your project is Python 3.7.6, write is this because we clearly told like this. Copy and same come back to the same Gemini prompt. Give it. So last video I told that chapter 4 should be done by one person. Similarly, chapter 6 should be also done by chapter 5, chapter 6 and chapter 7 should be done by a single person. Chapter 5, 6, 7 should be done by a single person. Okay, to avoid the conflict. Chapter 8 I think source code is not needed for you. If it is needed, okay. These are the 3 chapters pending. Source code I think not needed for you. Next, results and discussion. Chapter 9. So chapter 9 should be done by last person or third and fourth person. So here, based on the detailed requirements provided, it should not come like this. It's wrong. Give me as per research thesis, as per research work thesis. Yeah, it should be come like this. The primary software foundation is for same NumPy, pandas, like this. This is correct. Okay, so like this fill the chapter 6. Chapter 6 also very simple. Chapter 6 software and hardware requirements 6.1, just 2 paragraphs. 6.2 Python libraries. For this you require the code. So for NLP students, try to open the backend code. Try to open the Jupyter code. I will show sample code also. For NLP students, open Jupyter code. You will get the packages here. Same sample packages. Similarly, for image processing students, open your main file. For all image processing, I give the Py. All these are Python packages. For speech processing also same. For NLP only Jupyter for speech processing and image processing .py for Flask based applications, that is Smart India Hackathon. Yes, here in this case they have multiple files like app.py, data processor, like open app.py, copy these files, copy, so not this coding. Next, data pre-processing, open, copy this one, and ML models, copy the same. I will show you sample. So like this, copy the packages here. I'm copied it. Data pre-processor copy. Yes, sometimes packages are overlapped, but it won't be a problem. Like all the files, third file also. If you have third file also, ML models. Like this, copy these files because these are the important packages as per your project. Okay, so like this, copy. After copying the required packages, see here what are all the packages. Same, simple. For above, explain each package in single paragraph. Explain each package in single paragraph. So it's not like it's gave the two paragraphs, but my intention is that each package separate single paragraph. Separate single paragraph. So yes, it's correct. So see here, I will show again reference document. Packages, core Python libraries. The packages used in this research work as follows. Like this, one statement should come. Then core Python libraries. Then data visualization or NLP, NLTK, scikit-learn. Like that, TensorFlow, Keras, transformers, custom modules. Like this, here also say core Python, some logging, Flask, Pandas, NumPy, machine learning. All are correct. Like that, it should come. So then hardware requirements, it is also very simple. So here it's I gave it as a generalized, but develop as per your project. So I will tell you how it will be developed as per your project. Also I will tell you. Simple. Hardware requirements, minimum, sorry, so for hardware requirements also simple, like above software. Here my laptop is, if your laptop is i7, right, i7. If your laptop is i5, Windows with i5, or if your laptop is Apple laptop, MacBook, right, like if you are still maintain, you can mention like RAM as per your laptop specification. Hardware is nothing but your laptop specification. RAM 16 GB, HDD how much, processor what is the processor, Intel Core or AMD processor, like that you can give. Then it is also very simple, two paragraphs or bullet points or something like that, because these are the originally chapters which we focus, which we doesn't focus much. Sorry, not here. Yeah, simple like this, the minimum hardware requirements, that's it. See here, always it will give as per your project, as per your project. Okay, in the content remove like this, step 4, if it is give like this, step 4 remove this like this. Okay, so this is the flow. Like this, complete the chapter 6 also, chapter 5. These are the standard format. Again I am showing sample diagram followed by figure followed by its explanation. Similarly, next chapter 7, functional and non-functional requirements. It is also very simple. After completing this chapter 7, functional and non-functional requirements, so it's actually as per the software development life cycle. Simple. This is also very simple. For above, simple. For above, give me functional requirement at different stages of. For above, give me functional requirements effort at different stages of software development like cycle. Give me like FR. It's bullet point based paragraphs. Yes, here it's a bullet points because the entire document is a should look differently. Software development life cycle. Regarding this, sorry, not placed in improper thread. Same. I post here software development life cycle. Same. Yes. If it is sir, it's not giving the bullets. It is giving like this. It is not problem. Not a problem. It's correct only. Say correct only. Whatever the neat alignment, like this. Functional requirements. If it is giving separate subtopics like this also, no problem. Whatever the content it gave posted, just copy paste it, but don't bold this one here. Breeder score reliability plots, don't make it as a bold. Clean text. Okay, like this. If you really want to make the perfect document like what I added, same 7.1.1 requirements analysis stage phase, 7.1.2 design phase, 7.1.3 implementation and testing phase, 7.1.4 deployment and maintenance phase. These are the perfect phases of the SDLC software. Definitely it is going to give, just you need to add 7.1 like this. If you added like that, that is very good. You can add like that also. Similarly, non-functional requirements. For the same prompt, non-functional requirements. For above, same. Give me non-functional requirements. Just a second. Yeah. Same. For above, give me. If it is the same format, you can ask. It is going to give the same. For above, give me non-functional requirements. Same. It is going to give the non-functional requirements. So it is not for me. I won't focus much on non-functional requirements. However, it will give detailedly if you can add copy paste it. Then 7.3 system study. 7.3 system study. System study also. I won't focus much. For system study also, simple. For above, give me. I will copy this also. For above, sorry. For above, give me system study with detailed paragraphs as per below studies. So see here prompt. This is the prompt. I'm making copy paste. So simple. Technical feasibility, operational feasibility, economical feasibility, legal feasibility, scheduled feasibility. So that's it. These are the system study. Technical, operational. If you want to make it as a 2 paragraphs, you can make as a 2 paragraphs also. Or if you want to make it as a like this one table, you can make it as a table format also. Not a problem. So like this chapter 7. Chapter 8 is source code or something else. Hold it, no problem. Yeah, chapter 9 or rest of the chapters. It should be a results and discussion. Results and discussion. For completing the results and discussion, simple. You should have implementation description. Here in this 9.1 implementation description. So for doing this results and description, I will do the another video. Meanwhile, complete the UML diagrams, chapter 6 and chapter 7. So that's it. This is the process of making rest of the chapters. The final session will be on the results and discussions and other what are the pending topics in the chapter 4, chapter 2, like that we will discuss. If you really want to work out on the results, you can work out like this also, but for this I need to make another video which will be different from previous videos. It will be different from the previous videos. Yeah, thank you.